And it says, even if a devotee falls down from the standard of purity, he need not undergo any separate process of purification, which is called prayaschitta, such as karma gyan. He simply he takes up devotional service immediately and he becomes reinstated. On the contrary, we become purified by practicing bhakti. So then, Rupa Goswami cites 7 verses to clarify verse 64, which says it is the esoteric significance of Vaishnava. He says it is the esoteric significance. He quotes this phrase, Vaishnava Shastranam Rahasyam. So this is the secret. The secret of Vaishnava Shastras is that a fallen devotee need not do any prayaschitta.